Hello and welcome to your vocabulary daily dose. My name is Mrs. Wilden and we are on Unit 4, Lesson 6, and this is 8C. So of course you need your vocabulary from Classic Roots workbook, and then you'll need your online school so that you can go in and put your answers in once you have finished using your workbook. The objective today is to listen to the pronunciation of the word, review their definitions, and see how they are used in context. Then you will see if you can identify the correct word to make the sentence complete. So we're dealing with fill in the blanks. First, you need to, of course, listen to the pronunciation of the words. Next, you'll turn to pages 43 through 47 and review the definitions and look and see how the word's used in context. It helps to read the word in a sentence. And then I know I've asked you to do this before, but choose a couple of words that you know well enough that you can use them in your daily vocabulary. That's how you'll remember them if you are using them. So today we will work on exercise 8C. It's lesson 6 and it starts on page 47. There's a couple fill in the blank on there and then goes over to 48. The directions read, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word from Unit 4. Use each word only once. So let's look at number 1 together. It says on a bicycle built for two or tandem bike, one cyclist sits blank to the other. So, you know the bicycles that are built for two, where you have one person in the front, one person in the back. Let me read the sentence again. On a bicycle built for two, or tandem bike, one cyclist sits blank to the other. One cyclist sits, so it needs to mean that they sit behind or in back. So I remember that is posterior. So one cyclist sits posterior to the other. They sit behind the other. So there's your answer for number 1. You can write that down, posterior. And you just have 2 through 6 to complete. And then you'll go to your online school and put in your answer. And I just want to remind you that the first semester ends on January 13th. So, really that's not too far off, January 13th. So make sure that you are following your daily plan every day. It will really help you to stay on top of your schoolwork, and you want to have everything caught up. You want to be where you should be by the end of that first semester. Okay, I appreciate you being here. Thank you. See you next time.